Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Money. In this we are discussing about differential equations. We are in variable separable method. Let us have a discussion on the question here. The volume of spherical balloon is being inflated. Changes at the constant rate. If initially its radius is 3 units and after 3 seconds it is 6 units. Find the radius of the balloon after 3 seconds. They are asking to find R value. So volume of the spherical balloon means, so V equal to volume of the sphere indirectly, the balloon we are taking as a sphere. So 4 by 3 by R cube. Differentiate with respect to V. So dV by dt is equal to 4 pi by 3 is constant. R cube derivative is 3R square. Again R derivative is dr by dt. So 3 get cancelled. The volume of spherical balloon is being inflated changes at a constant rate. Since given dV by dt is equal to K constant, the rate of change of volume of the spherical balloon is given as K. So wherever dV by dt is there, you replace with K. So K equal to 4 pi R square into dr by dt. Now cross multiplication, K times of dt is equal to 4 pi R square into dr. Taking integration on both sides, K constant bring outside, integral dt equal to 4 pi is also constant, integral R square into dr. So which is equal to K into integral dt is T is equal to 4 pi, integral R square is R power 3 divided by 3 plus constant C. I hope everyone understands, the students. Okay. After that, here, if initially its radius is 3 units, initially means at the time t is equal to 0. If t equal to 0, then radius is given as r equal to 3 units. It is mentioned here, students. If initially its radius is 3 units, so t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3, substitute, you will get the value of c. See, t equal to 0 means this value goes to be 0. 4 pi by 3 into r value is 3, now 3 cube plus c. So one of the 3 cancel here, 3 square, 9 pi. 9 into 4 pi is 36. So c equal to minus 36 pi. Okay, dear students. 3 square means 9. 9 into 4 pi is 36 pi. Bring it this side. C value will become as minus 36 pi. Are you able to see? Yes, absolutely. In the next step, what you have to do, C value substitute in this. Therefore, it will become Kt is equal to 4 pi by 3 R cube. In place of C, replace it with minus 36 pi. Next, what it is given? And after 3 seconds, it is 6 units radius. If t is 3 seconds, then r is equal to 6. So wherever r is there, replace with 6 and t is 3. So k equal to, so k into t value is 3, no? Is equal to 4 pi by 3, r is equal to 6, 6 cube minus 36 pi. So 3k is equal to 4 pi by 3, 6 cube is 216 minus 36 pi. So 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 3 twos are. So 3k is equal to 4 pi into, here 3 multiple I am taking, 3 times of 24, 72 can be written as minus 3 times of 12 pi. From these two 3 taking common, 3k is equal to 3 times of 4 pi into 24 minus 12 pi. So 3 get cancelled. K equal to 96 pi minus 12 pi. So k equal to 84 pi. This k value substitute in this. K is equal to 84 pi. Substitute in 1, we get 84 pi is equal to 4 pi by 3 r cube minus 36 pi. So 84 pi into 3, I am taking LCM directly distance. 4 pi r cube minus 108 pi. 3 times of 36. Bring this side. So it will be 3 4s are 12. 252 pi plus 108 pi. Where will be t distance? T will be t only. I am sorry. Kt means t. I forgot to write t. 84 t will come over here. And here also t is there. Here also t is there. Is equal to 4 pi r cube. So 4 pi take common both sides. If you take out common 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are. So 63t, 4 2s are 8. So remaining 28 is the 4 7s is equal to 4 pi times of r cube. Both sides 4 pi get cancelled. 63 pi plus 27 is equal to r cube. They are asking to find r value. So if you want r value, we can power raise to 1 by 3. So 63 pi plus 27 whole power 1 by 3. This is the required r value. I hope everyone understand. This is the way you can do that. If it is completed, we will move to another question. So the way we can go very slowly, students, because the questions are in that way. If you are discussing only 2 or 3 questions also, it should be easy to understand the questions. Question number 20. In a bank, the principal increases continuously at the rate of R% per year Find the value of R. Find the value of R if 100 rupees double itself in 10 years. In 10 years, when is given log 2 to the base c equal to 0.6931. In a bank, principal increases continuously, principal amount. So that means the rate of change of principal, if the solution is students, dp by dt, rate of change of principal is continuously increases continuously at the rate of r% per year, r% of principal p. That means r by 100 of P means into B. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. P bring this side, dt bring this side. So dP by P is equal to R by 100 into dt. So variable separated, taking integration on both sides. Integral 1 by P into dt is equal to 1 by 100 into R by 100 into integral dt. So integral 1 by p means what? Log p to the base e. R by 100 integral dt is t plus c we are writing. If you remove this log, it will become p equal to e power r t by 100 plus c. That also e power r t by 100 into e power c. This e power c you can consider as one constant capital C. Since e power c we are taking as capital C. I hope you understand, students. Now conditions you have to apply. What conditions are there? Find the value of R if 100 rupees double itself into 10 years. First initial year we can take it. If time is 0, then principal amount P is 100 first. So what we can write it here? So P value 100 is equal to e power 0 into C. E power 0 is 1 also. C is equal to 100. Therefore it will becomes P equal to e power RT by 100 into 100. C value we got it. Next condition is what? If time is 10 years, it will be double. Principal amount is double. P is 2 times of 100. 200 into. Now we will calculate 200 equal to e power or P value is 10 divided by 100 into 100. Here 100 bring inside, 200 by 100 is equal to e power r by 10. So it will be 100 ones, 100 twos. 2 equal to e power log e power r by 10, taking log on both sides. Log 2 equal to log e power r by 10. So log 2 equal to log e into r by 10. Log e bring the sign. Log 2 to the base e equal to r by 10. Cross multiply r value becomes 10 times of log 2 to the base e is equal to r. So what is r? Log 2 to the base e value is given now. That is or equal to 10 times of 0.6931, which is equal to 6.931 radius value. No, not radius. Rate of interest value is 6.931. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another set of questions. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year, an amount of rupees 1,000 is deposited with this bank how much will after 10 years e power 0.5 equal to 1.648. Like the previous problem itself, dear students. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5%. So that means the rate of change of principal amount is 5% of P. That means 5 by 100 into P. That is equal to P by 20. So P bring this side. dP by dt is equal to P by 20. That also implies that dP by P equal to 1 by 20 into dt. Taking integration on both sides. Integral 1 by P dt is equal to 1 by 20 into integral dt. Integral 1 by p means what? Log p to the base e equal to 1 by 20 into log integral dt is t plus constant c. So we can write it as p equal to, if you remove log, this side will becomes e power t by 20 plus c. Even here also p equal to e power t by 20 into e power c. In the next step, e power c I am taking as capital C as a constant. P e power t by 20 into c. Here, an amount of 1000 rupees is deposited with this bank. Initial amount. That means if t equal to 0, when p is 1000 rupees, so it will becomes then 1000 equal to e power t value 0, e power 0 into c. So 1000 is equal to c. Therefore, it will becomes principal amount will becomes 1000 is equal to e power t by 20. Here 1000 in place of c I kept. Okay, dear students. Next, after 10 years, when t is 10, principal amount of flow. If t equal to 10 years, the principal amount, how much it will worth the principal amount. See here, t is 10 if you substitute, t equal to e power t value 10 by 20 into 1000. So e power 1 by 2 into 1000. E power 1 by 2 means e power 0.5 only, no? So e power 0.5 value is given as 1.648 into 1000. So after 10 years it will become 1648. The principal amount will becomes 1648, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another question. In a culture, the bacteria. One lakh is. The number is increased. The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. In how many hours? In how many hours? Will the count reach? Will the count reach 2 lakhs? If the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number of present, to the number present. This is only important, dear students. For this, let the number of bacteria at the same time is y. That means dy by dt is proportional to y, is proportional to the number of present. So that if you remove this proportional symbol, dy by dt is equal to ky. So dy by y is equal to k dt. Taking integration on both sides, k times of integral dt log y is equal to k into t plus c. At initial stage, here the value is given to students. Once we go through that, at the initial time, after reaching of this step, CR, I think number of steps will come here. C1 you take it. When t equal to 0, y will become y naught. At the time of 0, y value will become as y naught. So log y naught equal to k value, t value 0 means C1 now it is. So it will become log y equal to kt plus log y naught. You bring this side, it will become log y minus log y naught is equal to kt. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log y minus y by y naught equal to kt. I hope you understand this, students. Next year, this will becomes log y equal to kt plus C1, we got it. 1 minute, sisters. Dear students, here, if you remove log here, it will become y by y naught is equal to, here base is e power kt will come. After that, after 2 hours, when t is 2, it was increased 10%, no? Generally, y is, here y is y naught we have taken. But y naught plus how much it was increased 10% in the percent, 10% of y. So y equal to y naught plus 10% means 10 by 100 into y naught. So y is equal to 11 by 10, why not? Okay, dear students, we got it this one. Y value is 11 by 10 into y naught. After t is equal to 2 hours. So y by y naught value will becomes what? Y by y naught is equal to 11 by 10 from this. So log of, in place of y by y naught, 11 by 10 is equal to k value is k only, t value 2. So 1 by 2 log 11 by 10 equal to k value, ultimately we got it, yes. So this value here we have to replace. Therefore, in this place of k, substitute this one. Log y by y naught is equal to 1 by 2 times of log 11 by 10. Is it 11 by 10 or not? Right. Into t. Next, what value is given? In how many hours will the count reaches to 2 lakhs if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number of present? Here, this is the very important step, dear students. The number of present is y naught. So y1 is how much it is going to increase? y1 by y naught I am taking. 1 minute distance. Here the phase will be there now. So what we will do is, let the number of bacteria same time is t is y have taken. Y by y naught is how much it will be difference? It counts reaches to 2 lakhs divided by 1 lakh. Now y value we are taking as present is so it will be 2 times y by y naught is equal to 2. So if you substitute in this equation number 1, time will come. If the rate of growth bacteria in what time? So log 2 is equal to 1 by 2 log 11 by 10. Why we are taking is here, in how many hours will the count reaches to 2000? If the rate of growth bacteria proportional to the number of present. Number of present, y naught value is what? Y naught value we got it as a first is present is lakh. That is the reason we got it as students into t. So 2 will beside 2 log 2 is equal to log 11 by 10 into t. So t value, t is equal to 2 log 2 divided by log 11 to the by 10. This is the value of t. Once I will check that answer, students, whether it is correct or not. Yeah, absolutely it is correct. At this time, just we have to build the conclusion. At this time, the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present is how many hours it will take? Is t is equal to, at this time means the time only we are writing 2 times of log 2 by log of 11 by 10. At this time the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number of present, dear students. This is the way we can. The last question will conclude that. In the coming days, probability also, I can make it be students. For your convenience, all the questions of probability. The last question is 9.3. Question number 23. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to e power x plus y is first general solution they are asking, no? So first given differential equation dy by dx equal to a power m plus n form, no? A power m into a power n, we can write it. Now variables are dy by e power y equal to e power x into dx. So now e power minus y into dy equal to e power x into dx. Whenever separating the variables, taking integration on both sides. So integral e power minus y is minus e power minus y equal to integral e power x is e power x. I am taking constant as minus c here. According to my convenience. Minus c bring this side, minus this value will bring this side. E power x plus e power minus y equal to constant c. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. Those who are watching first time, please like and share to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Honey. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind. Thank you.